Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I have discussed up to question number 128. I am discussing question selected from competitive examination, that is from IIT and medical examination. Question number 129. Now I am reading. What is the concentration of nitrate ions if equal volume of 0.1 m silver nitrate and 0.1 m NaCl are mixed together? First option is 0.1 m. Second option is 0.2 m. Third option is 0.05 m. Fourth option is 0.25 m. One more time I am reading question. What is the concentration of nitrate ions if equal volume of 0.1 m silver nitrate and 0.1 m NaCl are mixed together? First option is 0.1 m. Second option is 0.2 m. Third option is 0.05 m. Fourth option is 0.25 m. Just to think, a question will take hardly 1 minute time, less than 1 minute. Just to think. Now I am telling it's this explanation of the question. What will be the option? I am telling you now answer. See here, how will you solve? 0.1 m AgNO3 will react with 0.1 m NaCl to form 0.1 m NaNO3. Correct? 0.1 m AgNO3 will react with NaCl. 0.1 m, then it will form what? It will form NaNO3. But as the volume is doubled, concentration of nitrate will be half. Okay, 0.1 m AgNO3 plus 0.1 m NaCl, it will form 0.1 m NaNO3. But as the volume is doubled, if we mix 0.1 m, 0.1 m, it will come total 0.2 m. Then volume is doubled after mixing. Hence, nitrate concentration will be half, 0.1 divided by 2. Correct? That is the 0.05 m. This is the correct answer. 0.05 m, that is the option C. Here only important thing is that volume is going to be doubled, then concentration will be half. Next question, that is this question was asked in medical examination, CPMT, and also it was asked in NCERT. In two examination this question was asked. Now next question, question number 130. I am reading. One part of an element A combines with two parts of another element B. 6 parts of the element C combine with 4 parts of the element B. If A and C combine together, the ratio of their weights will be governed by First option, law of definite proportion. Second option, law of multiple proportions. Third, law of reciprocal proportions. Fourth, law of conservation of mass. Just to think. It is also easy, direct question and answer. Again, one more time I am reading. One part of an element A combines with two parts of another element B. 6 parts of the element C combined with 4 parts of the element B. If A and C combine together, the ratio of their weights will be governed by first option, law of definite proportions. Second, law of multiple proportions. Third, law of reciprocal proportions. Fourth, law of conservation of mass. Its correct answer is law of reciprocal proportions. Okay, that is the option C. Option C, law of reciprocal proportions. Law of reciprocal proportions. By definition, it is clear. Okay, and its correct answer is option C, law of reciprocal proportion. Now next question I am telling you, question number 131. 1.520 gram of the hydroxide of a metal on ignition gave 0.995 gram of oxide. The equivalent weight of metal is first option 1.520, second option 0.995, third option 19.0, fourth option 9.09 only. Which one is correct? This is also, it will take hardly 1 minute time, less than that. Its correct option is 9, means 9.0. How? Just you can also think, now I am telling. Okay, here weight of metal hydroxide divided by weight of metal oxide, that is equal to equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of OH divided by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide O2 minus. Metal oxide was there, that oxygen has this 2 valency. Then here you have to just solve it by using the formula weight of metal hydroxide divided by metal oxide. Now metal hydroxide you can convert into the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of OH ion divided by weight of metal oxide means equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide means oxygen 2 minus. Then now weight of metal hydroxide is given 1.520 and weight of metal oxide is also given 0.995, and this equivalent weight of metal you have to calculate, and equivalent weight of hydroxide 16 plus 1 17, OH minus 1 charge is there, hence if you will divide by 1 it will be only 17. 16 plus 1 17 divided by 1. Then equivalent weight of OH ion is 17. And now divided by again down equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide ion 2 minus. Then for oxygen equivalent weight is 8. Hence down will become E plus 8. Then now it became 1.520 divided by 0.995, that is equal to E plus 17 divided by E plus 8. And after cross multiplication you can easily calculate E is equal to 9, exact 9 it will come. Correct? Cross multiplication you have to do, and then you can calculate very easily E. E value will become 9, means finally it will come 4.755 divided by 0.525, means 9. And correct option is for this 9, D, option D. This is also asked in medical examination, DPMT. Now next question I am reading you. A solution of 10 ml M by 10 FeSO4 was titrated with KMnO4 solution in acidic medium. The amount of KMnO4 used will be: first option 5 ml of 0.1 m, second option 10 ml of 0.1 m, third option 10 ml of 0.5 m, fourth option 10 ml of 0.02 m. Again I am reading second time. A solution of 10 ml M by 10 FeSO4 was titrated with KMnO4 solution in acidic medium. The amount of KMnO4 used will be: first option 5 ml of 0.1 m, second 10 ml of 0.1 m, third 10 ml of 0.5 m, and fourth 10 ml of 0.02 m. Think this is also this question also you can solve within 1 minute. Okay, and question is asked in medical examination, CPMT. Now just you solve. Quickly you can solve. Here I am solving now that KMnO4 in acidic medium, means here H2SO4 will be used. Then KMnO4 plus H2SO4, if you will write the balanced equation, actually it will give two products, K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2O. Three products it will give. Fourth product will be this oxygen atom it will give. Means balanced equation you will get 2 KMnO4 plus 3 H2SO4. It will give K2SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 plus 3 H2O plus 5O oxygen atom, nascent oxygen. Correct? Then this 5 oxygen, actually that will react with FeSO4. 5 oxygen atom, nascent oxygen, 5O. That oxygen will react with FeSO4. Correct? Then again you have to write a balanced equation with FeSO4. Then FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus oxygen, nascent oxygen. It will give Ap2SO4 whole 3 plus H2O. If you will balance it, you will get 2 FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus O. Product will be Fe2SO4 whole 3 plus H2O outside into 5. Because after that you have to cancel it. In final reaction you will get 2KMnO4 plus 8H2SO4 plus 10 FeSO4 plus products what are remaining. Okay, then now this is the reaction you have to write. Then what means reaction is between the KMnO4 versus FeSO4. Then here you know formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2. That is, this question is based on that. Then M1V1 divided by N1 is equal to M2V2 divided by N2. M1V1 by N1, that is for KMnO4. M2V2 divided by N2, that is for FeSO4. Then M1V1 means for KMnO4, you can calculate. M2V2 is there. Only thing is that N1 will go right side. Then you will get M1V1 is equal to N2V2. N2 divided by V2, upside M2 into V2, cross multiplication. M1V1 is equal to, will get N1 upon N2, M2 into V2. Then now here according to this equation, here N1 is equal to 2. N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 10. N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 10, because in balanced equation you see final balanced equation 2KMnO4 means that 2 molecules and plus 10 FeSO4, that is the N2. Then N1 divided by N2 into M2V2, that is equal to M1V1. You want to calculate M1V1. Then 2 by 10 and M2V2 value is M1 is equal to 10, V2 is equal to 1 upon 10 according to the question. Then you will get finally M1 into V1 is equal to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. Hence M1 V1 value is given 1 upon 5. Then here that point you have to divide in actually question. In question if you will see, then here you will find that solution question was given that 10 ml M by 10 FeSO4, correct, was titrated with KMnO4 solution in acidic medium. The amount of KMnO4 you wanted to calculate. Then now M1 V1 you calculated. That is the now total is equal to 1 by 5 you calculated. Then here 1 by 5, then M1 according to the question it is given M1 is equal to 0.02 and V1 is equal to 10 ml it is given, correct. Then M1 V1, that finally you will get that is the 1 upon 5, that is the option D. You will get 10 ml of 0.02, option D, 10 ml of 0.02 m, that you will get, because here M1 V1 value you have calculated, that is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Then now this 0.02 into 10, that is equal to 1 upon 5. Hence the equivalent weight of the metal will be 1 upon 5. Okay, then 1 upon 5 you can write 10 ml into 0.02. If you will solve, you will get 1 upon 5. Option D is given 10 into 10 ml of 0.2. That you solve it. Then 10 into 2 by 0.02. You can write 2 by 100. 2 by 100. Then it will come how much? 10. 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 1 upon 5. This is a good question. It is asked in medical examination. Okay, CPMT. Reaction you should know. balance equation you should know. Final balance equation actually we should know 2KMnO4 plus H2SO4 plus 10FeSO4. That you have to write, and then after that all things will be easy, because N1 N2 value are knowing. Because you will use M1 B1 divided by N1, that is equal to M2 B2 divided by N2. That formula I will use. Already revision time I have given this formula. Then N1 N2 value you will get by the equation. M2 B2 value is given. Then M1 V1 value you will get. Then answer is a direct M1 V1 value. But they have not written on Y5. They have written 10 ml into 0.02. Hence, after solving this 10 into 0.02, you will get 1 upon 5. Hence, correct answer is D, option D, 10 ml of 0.02. This question was 132. Question number 132. Now, next question I am telling you 133. Chemical equation is balanced according to the law of first option multiple proportion, second option reciprocal proportion, third option conservation of mass, fourth option is definite proportions. It is direct question answer. Chemical equation is balanced according to the law of first option is multiple proportion, second reciprocal proportion, third conservation of mass, fourth definite proportion. You can answer directly within 10 seconds. Its correct answer is conservation of mass. You know all the things. Okay, now next question, that is a 134. I am telling you, a gas is found to have the formula CO outside X whole X, CO whole X. Its vapor density is 70. The value of X must be option A 7, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Second time I am repeating the question. A gas is found to have the formula CO whole X. Its vapor density is 70. The value of X must be option A 7, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Think and answer. It is very easy. Its correct option is 5. How? Now I am telling you. Molecular mass of COX, actually vapor density is given, then 70. Then its molecular weight will be 2 into vapor density, means 140. Then molecular mass of COX, that is equal to 140. Correct? Then CO whole X. Then C12 oxygen 16. Correct? Now this CO whole X, C is equal to 12 and oxygen is equal to 16, means total 28. Then X into 28, that is equal to 140. Then X is equal to 140 divided by 28, that is the 5. X is equal to 5, means it will be CO whole 5. Then 134 question, option 3 is option C. Third option is correct. Option C. This question is asked in BHU. This question was asked in BHU. Now, next question I am telling you, question number 136. Sulfur forms the chloride S2Cl2 and SCl2. The equivalent mass of sulfur in SCl2 is, again I am repeating the question, sulfur forms the chlorides S2Cl2 and SCl2. The equivalent mass of sulfur in SCl2 is, first option is 8 gram per mole, second option is 16 gram per mole, third option is 64.8 gram per mole, and fourth option is 32 gram per mole. It is also easy, within 1 minute you can solve it. Just to think. Now I am telling you, in actually its answer will be 16, that is option 2, B, option B, 16 gram per mole. How? Then here in SCl2, here Cl2 means 35.5 into 2, 71. 71 parts of chlorine combined with 32 parts of sulfur. Then for 35.5 part, how much? For 35.5 parts of chlorine combined with 16 parts. Then 35.5 parts of chlorine combined with 16 parts. It means 16 is the equivalent mass. 16 is the equivalent mass of sulfur in SCl2. Hence, this second option, option B, is correct. 16 gram per mole. Here they have given two sulfide. Sulfur forms the chloride S2Cl2 and second is SCl2. Then equivalent mass of sulfur you have to tell in SCl2. Equivalent mass of sulfur in SCl2. For S2Cl2 has no role here. SCl2 directly you have to think. Okay, because question is asking the equivalent mass of sulfur in SCl2. Then now I told you that 21 parts of chlorine combined with 32 parts of sulfur. Then 35.5 part will combine with 16 part. And 16 is the equivalent mass of sulfur. Now next question I am telling you. Question number, actually this question 136 question was asked in A.I.M.S exam. Now next question 137 I am telling you. A known element, the maximum number is of. Theoretical question is there. You can answer very easily. In a known elements, you know that 118 elements are known in periodic table. That you think. In a known elements, the maximum number is of. First, metals. Second, non-metals. Third, metalloids. And fourth, none of the above. Again, I am repeating one more time. In a known elements, the maximum number is of. First, metals. Second, non-metals. Third, metalloids. Fourth, none of the above. You know that in periodic table, metals are also there, non-metals are also there, metalloids are also there. Then, which is the maximum number? The maximum number is of, you have to tell. First option is metal, second is non-metal, third is metalloids, fourth is none of the above. Just to think, it is very easy. Its option is that is this its correct option is, just to think quickly you can answer. Metals are in maximum number in whole periodic table. Metals. Now one more question I want to tell you. 138. Which of the following weighs the least? First, 2 gram atom of nitrogen Atomic weight of nitrogen, you know, is given actually 14. Second option, 3 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Atomic weight of carbon is equal to 12. It is given. Third option is 1 mole of sulfur. Atomic weight of sulfur is equal to 32. It is given. And last option is 7 gram silver. Atomic weight of silver is 108. Okay, just you think. It will also take 1 minute hardly time to calculate. Which of the following weighs the least? Least you have to, not maximum, least. First option is given 2 gram atom of nitrogen. Second option is 3 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Fourth option is 1 mole of sulfur. And fourth option is 7 gram of silver. All atomic weight is given for nitrogen 14, for carbon 12, for sulfur 32, and for silver 108. It is given. Quickly you can calculate. Now see, I am giving you now this hint. Quickly you can calculate. See, 2 gram 2 gram atom of nitrogen means what? 28 gram. 1 gram atom of nitrogen means 14. Then 2 gram atom of nitrogen means 28 gram. Correct? And second option is just all four you have to see. Then 3 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon means how much gram? Then you have to use the Avogadro number, that things. Then here 3 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon means here you can write, you know that Avogadro number is equal to 12 gram. Avogadro number is equal to 12 gram of carbon. Then you 12 gram for 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 12 gram. Then for 1, 12 by Avogadro number. Then for given 3 into 10 to the power 23, it will come 6 gram. Then first option is 28 gram. Second is 6. Third option, 1 mole of sulfur. 1 mole of sulfur means what? 32 gram. That is also more. 1 mole sulfur they have given, third option, that is 32 gram. That is also more. And last option was 7 gram of silver. Then 7 gram of silver means only 7 gram. Then see, first is 28 gram, second is 6 gram, third is means sulfur 32 gram, and silver is 7 gram. Then which one is least? Which one is least? Then least is 6 gram. Least is 6 gram. 6 gram means here is coming option B. Option B, carbon, related to carbon. It is coming 12 divided by Avogadro number into 3 into 10 to the power 23. Then 3 into 20, this will cancel. It will come only 6, already told you. 12 divided by 6.03, 10 to the power 23 into 3 into 10 to the power 23. It is given. Then 6 gram. Then option B is correct. 6 gram. It is a least. Because other is 7 gram, 32 gram, 28 gram. All are the more. 6 is the only less. Least. Hence option B is correct. Okay. If you will solve fast, then this question is easy actually. Only have to just do the this. You have to solve the problem little fast. It will take less than 1 minute time. Then now I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Thank you.